35. Can we get the 35 to hold on the bid? 33s, 34s. 33s, 34s, back to the 20s. Can we get the 25 to hold? $25, giving a little bounce. Okay. Can we get that 25? There was another bounce buying up there at the 25. Let's see what we got here. Very, very dangerous area up here. So it did hold that 25. I'll take a little bit there and let it play over the top. I'll be out at the 17, break of the 17. So got my out ready to go below the 17. Looking for it to hold up that 25 one more time. Very small position. Can it crank up one more time to that top side? 1768. Wait, what? Let me check that. Did I not spell that? Oh, Derek. Okay. Is it going to give us one more move to the top side? Hold up that 17. Can we see those 25s up there again? Or will it dive here? 25s, can we see it? There's the 25s. 19 out there. Gave it a little bit of room. Knew I was doing a high buy. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to leave it. Oh my goodness, this one's up. This one came down, came back up. Do I want to play this? I don't think so. This is a bad position. Came up there again to those highs. I don't think I want to play PALT. It's again at those highs, and I don't know if it's gonna reject here. JSPR. JSPR took quite a dip. All right, so on this dip, looking like it wants to pull back at least a little bit off this dip. See if we can see the 40s break down. The 30s break down. Again, 35s. Yeah, that's not my strategy anyway. I'm not going to play bounce plays. All right, so it did end up kind of rejecting here. This would have been a high buy anyway. It's just, man, I can't believe that thing bounced down to the 9, all the way down to VWAP. Right down through there, got me out and shot back up here to the 948. That's insane. But it happens. Yep. Happens, happens, happens. I can't believe that. Yeah, I saw it took me a while to figure out that the stream went off until I saw that message. It was like, "Hey, you disconnected." I was like, "Oh my gosh, really?" I need to make that time a little bit faster. Let me see if I can speed that time up because it shouldn't be disconnecting completely like that. Should not be doing that. All right, PALT back at the top, JSPR giving a little dip. I believe I took some unnecessary losses today, especially on PALT, getting stopped out down here. Insane. Came down and just stopped me out. Oh my goodness. The market is a crazy place to be. Okay, coming down to that 25 area. Will it give a bounce off of that 16? See those 30s holding up there. Do I want to do a bounce play here? 25s very quickly there. Can it break those 25s? Get down even more extended? Nope. Holding up the 30s. It's about to close this candle in about 5 seconds. Yeah, let's see how far you can go down. Can you go down even more? 21. See if you can come down some more. Come on, flood down. Ooh. Caught that rip. Let's see if we can get a plunge back up. I like it. Let's see if we can get a shot back up here. I'll be out down here. VWAP is a 15. I like that explosion down there. 15, I'll sell. Break of the $15. Looking for it to pop back up a little bit. 60s. Let's get a little bit more movement upward. So I'm playing a bounce play on this one. That was a nice jut down. Risking, what, 41 cents? See if we can get a little reverb here. A little reimbursement. Back up to the 16s. $68. Can we get those 75s up there? Looking for those 75s. Should be a little bit of buying pressure under here. There's a 60s. Can we see those 75s here? All right, 15. Let's go back up here to the 15.25 for out. That'll be a 20-cent risk. Trying to get down there again. Will it get bought up? 1521. Got a little bit of time here. I may jump out. Looks like it's getting weak. If it can't get back over there at 50, it's over with. 1530s, new out. Should hold over that. 1550s right there. You see those 55s come up there on the bid. Okay. All right, put my out at the 30. Wait, get my out. Get my out. What in the world? Okay, there's a sell. Okay. So I got it at the 30 now. 10-cent risk here on this bounce. Looking for those 70s to come back into play. Okay, there's the 80s. Nice little bounce. Moving up to the 1550s. Come on now, you got to get on up there. 1550s. Looking for that 81 to break. Okay, 1550 is my out now. Wants to run down through there. It'll be a green trade, but just catching this bounce. 80s, 81s, 82s, blah, blah, blah. Let's see those 90s. Can we see those 90s? Okay, about to move it up to the 75 if it can get those 90s up there. It's got 5 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if it can get any green on this. Any green into the 90s. Okay, I saw the 98s. I do not like how it just opened up. The bottom of this candle is the 1580s. So yeah, let's get ready to get out there if it wants to slam down. Got my out right under this candle on the 5-minute. If it wants to slam down for a green trade. Doesn't want to give anything past the 16 here. 580 is my out right now. Okay, got out right there. Did not. Just took a little bit of a trade right there. PALT again. See, I'm glad I didn't buy this high buy because it never, I thought that it broke the high up there. Never broke that high and got super, super weak in this little flat range. Super, super weak. PALT. That one's looking like it's trying to go up. Okay. This one is coming into a consolidation point. 1226. It's got 4 minutes left to this 15-minute closes. Don't really know what it wants to do. It popped up a little bit there, but still below this 9 EMA, so it may give some more moves down to this 1575 there. It's already looking like it's on the downside move anyway. So if you're going to get in, you got to take quick profits because it's not going back up. It's not going back up. Okay. PALT failed me on today. Bounce down here and just look at this. I'm so glad I didn't buy up there. Bro, I would have had my heart broke. This is 912. Yeah, I have, yeah, I work. Yes. I am into IT. I am into geospatial information systems. I am into IT security. I am into sound engineering. I am into a lot of things, photography and videography. I've got a resume longer than most receipts, so I do a lot. And I'm a contractor, so I don't have a W-2 for anybody. I just do contract work. I am I am very busy, but I know it doesn't seem like it because, I can sit here and trade and do all this, but for the most part, most of my IT work is on the weekends because usually that's when they bring down the mainframes for repairs, for maintenance, for whatever. So it doesn't slow down the congestion. So during the week, it's I'm kind of free in a way, a kind of free. Oh yeah, man, Daniel B. Let's go. See me in a Marvel movie. No, it's not like that, man. I'm not building things. I'm usually for security, IT security. I'm usually on the blue team, aiming at defense rather than attacking systems. I'm doing a lot of protection. Um, I mean, the IT world is so diverse. Like you wear so many hats, it doesn't even matter. Like every day you're gonna have a different hat on. Every single day. And if you think you're just gonna be sitting there writing little scripts and stuff to try to hack some, no, it's not gonna be that. It's not gonna be that. Now there are scripts out there, but for the most part, it's not like that. And I'm studying them very carefully. You like attacking systems? Bring it on, DB. Bring it on. PALT just not looking good anymore. It is 11:30. Let me go and check that JPS, whatever it was, JSPR one more time. Bouncing up there. Do I want to play it to the bottom? Is this the backside of the move? We don't know yet. Can I play it? Can it get back below the 30s, please? 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 30s is what I want to see. Please? Can I see below the 30s, please? Just a snap down. Come on. It's not going to give it to me. 30s. 30s, please. Ah, come on. Give me the 1630s. It's not going to give it to me. This thing's insane. It's doing a little consolidation. I don't see it. Oh well. Did not give me the 1630s. Still looks like it wants to move up a little bit, but I'm going to let that one play by itself because I don't want to get bullied here. CRXT did end up going down. PALT lost all of its volume. There's the 30s, but now it's getting that nice top and tail to the top side. How many minutes does it have? It has a couple of minutes here. It can still snap down quite a bit. The bottom here is the 1593. So it is holding up that 25 there. We'll let this one close. Oh, it's not holding up to 25. Broke down the 20s. Will it break down the 15s and the 14s and the 13s? Yep, breaking down the 10s. Uh-oh. Looking like it's about to rapture some souls here. So today I have a little loss. I think it's like maybe 18 bucks. So not bad with all this volatility, whatever. PALT was the one that I thought was going to really give the move. I didn't even see JSPR on my scanner, so whatever. It got going and got going. But J Cracks called this out, and I know he took some good profits on it, but we will see. I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm just gonna let this 1500 roll over until the next day, because I don't really see any reason to risk anything else. And everything else is kind of like fading. Look at that. PLAT, man. Such a disappointment. Oh well, we'll see if it fades throughout the rest of the day. JSPR still coming up there, holding up those 30s. Okay. Nice backside of the move. Let's see how it dives. 45s, 38s. 5-minute candle about to close in 30 seconds. Snatching down there almost to the 1615. JSPR, will it be able to get a new bottom before it hits that 1585? 1585 is pretty close. Support, looks like it's gonna crack that. 1585 is a big old dump area. See if it'll hold up there. 16s, bouncing off the 16s a little bit. Will it break those 16s? There's not a lot of size on the time and sales. The size has definitely gotten smaller now. $15.85s. Will it break these 16s here? Bouncing off the 16s again. Ten minutes left. And $15.85s. Can it hold up there? $15.85 is an out. Will it finally break that 16, or will it hold here? 1604, 1609, 1610s. 10 cents away, but this thing has a huge range that it can definitely move within. There's the 1590s bouncing off that 85 level there. Will it hold that level? 1585. 1585s. $16.5s, okay. It's not broken that level yet. 1585, very, very troublesome for the shorts. 80s, 86. Gonna get a pop off the 85 again. Very small pop. I think it's gonna go ahead and break it. Very small pop off the 85, getting closer and closer to that crack point. Again, holding the 85s. Can we see the 95s get back up there on the bid? Not looking very likely. Okay, holding those 85s again. There's the 95s very quickly, but disappeared off the bid. This 5-minute candle about to close in just a couple of minutes. Can it start getting back above the body of this candle, which is the 1596? 1596 on the bid. These next 20 seconds. 1596. Well, looks like it's taking a little dip there. So it broke the 85 and looks like that was the point, that stubborn point. Okay, PALT. What does it want to do? Do I want to play this one again for a break of the highs? Could risk 30 cents here to the bottom, but I don't like the setup on the 5-minute. Okay, getting another wick down there. Yeah, that's looking quite gritty. Okay, let's go back over here to JSPR. Or do I want to play this one? Still within this range, stopped at the halfway point of this range here, 912. So I could use a 912 as an out. That's the midway point of this range. It's definitely got a lot of buying pressure behind it. But can it get up through those highs? I may give it a stab here. See if it can jump up there and get through those highs. And just risk to the 912. But this one's got 4 minutes left on this candle. And it's already looking like it's decided to go higher. So do I take it or do I not? And the 35, I'm seeing this line here. The 35 was the spot that it needed to break and hold anyway. So if we can get over that 35, this one will be looking back good again. So I may actually play it here after these little movements. There's a 35. Will it get knocked back under the 35 real quick? Okay, back under. Can we break the 30s? Nope, can't break them. I like it. I do like it. See if we can come on down some more under those 30s. Can it test the 25? me go back and look at JSPR. Okay, JSPR has curled back up. Gave a little touch up here, but it's still not set up completely. It's got 2 minutes left. Had a low, then trying to get out of here again. 2 minutes left on this candle. I let those play out. PALT. Do you want to go ahead and fail, or are you going to retest those highs? Right now we have a trend line on this one. Right through there. Breaks down that trend, it's going to be looking absolutely nasty. So it's not getting over that 35, having problems staying in the 30 as well. So I'm more interested in JSPR right now with this curl over. And definitely get up and get out of there. So I'm going to risk down, what's the bottom of this? 50 something cents. Oh, slow down, buddy. Don't do it. Don't do it just yet. You look good, though. You look real good. Let's see you come back down to the 1610s. It's not going to give it to me. Okay. 1610s. Can we see them? "30 seconds until the close of this 15-minute candle." Oh, come on, dude. Come on back. 25's holding. I may have to take a starter position on this one and just see where it goes, because I'm unsure about this one. But I do like it over those 30s. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit there and use this other one as an out. The low is the 1550. Take a little bit just for a start. 1550 ready to get out. See if it can hold up these levels here. If it doesn't want to, oh well. Looking for it to get over and hold that 16. Hold that 16, buddy. '16s seem to be holding. 1610s. Can we see the 1605s? Okay, seeing them there. Can we see the 1606? There's a 1606. Not seeing a pop up there though. Failed to hold the 6 there. $16.01s. Can we see them come back in? Okay. Looking for another entry. 16 is getting challenged right now. PALT still tripping out. Tried to go up 1, 2, 3 times, so I'm gonna have to see some red on that 5-minute before I do anything else with that. JSPR. Are there other entries above the 15s? $15.90s. Okay, there's a 1605s. I like it. Can I see the 1605s for a little ad? 1605. Not seeing the 1605s there. A lot of red on the tape. Can it hold up the 95s? 98s. Needs to start working its way back into the body of this candle of the $16. There's a 1601. Can we get those 1605s up there? 1603s. Could not get it and hold it. Need to see those 1590s start to hold again. See those 85s. Come on back in there. $75 getting challenged. Will it just break straight through the 75 here? 10 minutes left on this candle. Coming back above the 85s. May give a little bit of try higher. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit there. Still ready to get out on the bottom of this low of the 1550. 1550. $15.50. I'll be pushing up and out of here. If doesn't want to get up. 16s. Staying above the 16s here. Can we see those 1605s hold up? 16s. Anything above the 16? Can we see the 1601s? Okay, there we go. 1605s. 16s fell. Ooh, wow, there's a little lunch up. Could not get through there though. Still sitting at the 1550s. Okay, so I see those 10s starting to hold. Still got a couple minutes left on this 15-minute candle, so I'm willing to let it play. Do what it's got to do. 1652. Very good little explosion there. This low is the 1572. 1575. Let's see if the short start losing this battle here. Got up here to this top 1658. Still got 7 minutes left to go. Can it start holding those 25s up there? Is the question. Looking to move up to the $16 if it can go up here. Be a 21-cent risk. Big move down. Not holding up those 16s. Can it pop back up to the 1601s, 1602 level? Not holding. Shorts looking to take control here. Can we see the 1610s quickly? 1605s again. $16.06s, nice. Needs to hold that level. There we go. Okay. Getting smashed by the shorts there. Will it reverb here? Ooh. All right. Giving it a little bit more time. Got 5 minutes left on this candle. All right. Let's see if we can get going upwards any. Plenty of time at this level. And like it's coming to a struggle point here. See if it can hold those 1605s. Pop back up to the 1605s. 1601s, 2s. Nope, not doing it. 1605s, can we get them? 16.6s. Can we start pushing those shorts out of there? Nope, under. I don't even see the 16s anymore. Can we get that pop up? There we go. Can we see the 1605s? Added a little bit more there. 1550 still my out. 50. Looking for it to get moving through there. 1550. What's the bottom of this? Low 72. Okay. We'll let that play. See if it can get any movement up off of these levels through the 25s. Yep, there's a little move, a little bit. Don't see it moving though. Saw green come on the tape, but did not see any movement with that green. $15.72. Yep, Tony. I added more because it was holding up. That's why I was looking at the tape. I was like, okay, 1605. Can we get that 1605 to hold up? And it started to hold up. But we'll see what it wants to do actually. The bottom of this low is a 1572, which it has to hold up or I will jump out. Need to see the break of those 50s if possible. There's the 55s. Can we get any more? This thing has had a big range all day. Let's get up to those 60s. Where are those buyers at? Can we get those 50s up there? Ooh, okay. Trying to give it some time, but I don't like this setup. Could definitely slash me right here. High of the 1660s, 1650s. Definitely could slash me here. Looking quite claustrophobic here. Needs to get out of this level. Can we see the break of the 50s? 48 50s, 54s, 5s, 1675. Nice. Can we get any more push out? $65s. Can we see that? Okay, shorts are definitely coming in there. Give it a little bit of time here. Need to see it back over the 40s, preferably the 50s. Can we see that 51 pop up there? Very, very strong resistance at the 50. Will they get shut out of here? Will the shorts get pushed out of the 50? Is the question. 45s is what we need to see. Okay. Can we get any more motion upwards, or is it going to be a fierce sell-off? Can we go back green on this one? Get that 41 up there. There's a 43s. We need to see a push through the 50s. Push those shorts. All right. Taking his sweet little time. Can we get those 25s back up there? Or was this Is this the start of a bull trap? I could come up to the 16. So a break of the 16, I'll just be out and I'll look for more entries. Because that way it's only 18 cents on these shares. As long as it stays above that 16. So I'm willing to do that. If I can I put it in? 16. Okay, it's not letting me put it in. Okay, there it is. So through the 16, if it wants to come down through that 16, I'll go ahead and jump out and look for more entries. I thought it could get going on this one, but it's an 18-cent loss on 25 shares, so it's not much. Either it's going to go or it's not. Stay above the 16 or don't. Matter of fact, let me put 15.99 just in case it pops down there and touches it. Okay, let's see these 20s come back into play. Can we start pushing those shorts out of there? The 17 is probably going to be my profit target if it can get up there. 1650 would be nice as well. I may take half at 1650 and then, I mean, not 1650. What's the top of this? 1675 and then 17, if possible. So we're looking for this thing to get over the 35s here. Ooh, big red just came through right at the open of that candle. Let's see if we can get any green going the other way. Saw big red on the tape right there. Needs to get over the 20s here. 25s, can we see it? Tap of the 25, very weak tap. Weak tap of the 25. I want to see it get to the 30s quick. There's the 30s. PALT still keeping this little range, but do I trust it? I don't trust it. I'm not gonna play with my soul today. Can we see those 25s come back up there heavy? Or will this be the fail point? Through the 16, I'm out. There's a 28, but we're not seeing the 30s right behind it. Yeah, it's down to the 15. Definitely can drop a bit. See the 16 on the bid. Those buyers are not coming up. Can they push it to the 20s? 16 20s. Will those buyers come on up there to the 20s? See them at the 17. Very small share size, though. Got blown through. $16 dip through. I'm out. Needs to get back over that 16.10. Couple minutes left on this one. Risking that 16 or $16. Lot of red coming on the tape and the volume on the 15-minute. There it is. I think it just jumped over my stop out, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it jumped over my, or was that a jump, or was it? Yeah, it jumped over it. Jumped over it by 25 cents. 15.75. So I lost 25 extra cents on that one. Glad that I had sized down. That's what slippage will do for you. 25 cents to get filled on that stop out. PALT, oh my gosh. You monster, monster, monster. You monster. You know what? I'm done for the day. I've seen enough. I just entered a new stress level, and oh boy. Oh man, why didn't I stick to what was on my scanners? Street Smart Edge knew what it was doing. They were showing me what I needed to be looking at. Oh my gosh, man. The market is so funny. Oh man. Another bucket of sweat filled up. I literally watched this stock forever. And the moment I look away, when it's starting to fill out, oh my gosh, man. Why? Yeah, you're right. You're right, Tony. At least I know my scanner's working. You know, what's moving big is moving. Cause JSPR is still up just 8% on the day, but PALT is up a whole 23% or 18% from the open. So nice little move up there. I don't know. What am I down? I'm down 30 bucks. 30 bucks today. Oh man, that's painful right there. I looked at this, I was like, do I trust this? Do I trust this? Drop. And I was like, nope, don't trust it. Boom. This is a comedy. This is a comedy, PALT. Absolute comedy. But it is over with now. I'm gonna go and grab me something to eat. And I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna let the rest of this roll over to that day. Um, PALT, man. I'm just gonna stick with what's on my scanners, man. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. If you caught PALT, congratulations, because I definitely didn't. After watching it for all this time, after drawing the trend line, after marking the levels up, this 875 that I saw it down here at. Let's take a deep breath. Deep, deep breath. And know that you can come back tomorrow. All right, guys. So, I'm sitting here in amazement of PALT. It's all good though. It's late in the day, lunchtime. I need to go grab something to eat anyway. I hate this stock. Yeah, appreciate that. Whoa. Awa Ace. All Ace. All Ace, maybe. I think I pronounced that correctly, hopefully. All right, y'all. Peace out. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.